Hello, Andrew here today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prime your Filteroo carbon gravity cartridges. Now it doesn't matter if you have the 5-inch cartridge or the 8-inch cartridge, the process is the same. Now inside the box you're going to find the hard copy of the step-by-step instructions on how to prime your cartridges. Now it's really important to prime your cartridges. If you don't prime your cartridges, then it's going to take a lot longer for the water to flow through them. Priming is really like saturating your cartridges. So it's easy for gravity to push the water through the cartridge so that you get the best flow rate from the beginning. Priming will also show you if you have a crack in the cartridge. And if you do, please let us know, get in touch with us ASAP and we'll get that sorted for you. Priming is really a must. We recommend you use a glove or the bag that the cartridge is packed in to hold the carbon part of the cartridge, so that you don't touch the carbon part of the cartridge with your hands, as the oil in your hands can affect the cartridge. Or just be really careful when you're handling it. You don't want to contaminate the cartridge. The first step is to unscrew the locking nut from the cartridge threaded end. Turn the locking nut over 180 degrees and then screw the locking nut back onto the threaded stem upside down. Just enough so the priming washer can sit on top of the nut and is level with the end of the cartridge threaded stem. Press the priming washer and cartridge up against the tap and slowly turn on the water. Allow the water to enter the cartridge. Small beads of water will start to flow out of the cartridge. Once water beads are exiting the cartridge and the cartridge becomes wet all over, the cartridge is primed full of water. This will only take about 5 to 10 seconds. Rinse the cartridge under the flowing tap to remove any carbon fines on the outside of the cartridge. Now that you have primed and rinsed your cartridge, you can install your cartridge in your Filteroo, and we have another video for that in our Learning Center. It is a very simple process and we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you very much.